Alright students, let us see another question. A compound X on heating with excess of concentrated sulfuric acid. So X, we are heating it with concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin. Alright, and this gives an unsaturated compound Y. Unsaturated compound Y. Alright, then it is also given that X also reacts with sodium metal to give a colorless gas. So X reacts with sodium metal and this gives out a colorless gas. Alright, colorless gas. This gas, this is named as Z. Now we have to identify X, Y and Z. What it can be. So, what is X? X is C2H5OH, concentrated sulfuric acid. This behaves as a dehydrating agent. So, this will take out water from it, and unsaturated compound over here. Unsaturated compound over here which will be formed will be C2H4. C2H4. This is HH. So C2H4 plus water will be formed over here. Alright. Now the same compound, that is C2H5OH, when you react it with sodium, then what will form? It will form C2H5ONA. ONA plus H2 will be evolved over here. So the colorless gas is hydrogen, and the compounds, that is what we will write. X is ethanol, that is C2H5OH. This is X. Y is what? It is ethene, that is C2H4, and Z is hydrogen. Z is hydrogen gas. Alright, Z is hydrogen gas. So we have written, identify X, Y and Z we have done. Write the equation of the chemical reaction of the formation of Y. So this also we have written. For the formation of Y, we have written the chemical reaction, and also write the role of sulfuric acid in the reaction. So sulfuric acid, role of sulfuric acid will be what? Role of H2SO4. H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 acts as a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. It takes out water from ethanol. Alright. So it acts as a dehydrating agent. Fine. Now let's come to another question. Why are most carbon compounds poor conductors of electricity? So electricity is conducted by students, electricity is conducted by ions or free ions or electrons. Alright, so over here, see, why are most carbon compounds, when you put it in water, they will not break up into ions since they are covalently bonded. So they will not conduct electricity. So let's write the first part, that carbon compounds are formed by sharing of electrons. Sharing of electrons, that is by covalent bonding. Hence, the electrons are not free to move. Therefore, they cannot conduct electricity. They cannot conduct electricity. Alright, they cannot conduct electricity. We have done the first part. Now let us see. Write the name and structure of the saturated compounds in which carbon atoms are arranged in ring. They are arranged in ring. Alright. Saturated compounds. You should see over here it is written saturated compounds, and carbon compounds, they are arranged in ring. So ring, we can make a hexagonal ring, and in the hexagon ring what you have, this is each corner, this is H, and when you satisfy the valency of tetravalency of carbon, what do you get? This is C, and everywhere you will be having 2H, 2H. So this becomes, the compound is, since it is in the form of cycle, we will call cyclo, and this is 6. So we have cyclohexane. Cyclohexane.